everybody. Catfish Terry. Fishing edition with Catfish Terry. We're gonna get out and plug a little bit today, y'all. Got the Carver family with me. And it's cloudy. It's cool. That might knock them in the head. Its front came through, but we're gonna get out. A little something different, just plug the banks a little bit, y'all. So hang on. Yeehaw. Reel's pretty smooth. I think Carver's got a fish down there, if you want to call it that. Let's walk down there and see, y'all. He's gonna be trying to claim this little thing for the money. What you got, boy? You can't see the bass for the lure, yeah. Whoa.
In your face.
You about seen me.
Hey. They say there's a size limit on this money.
Yeah, we did. They got to be legal.
Well, now you say it, so this is still fine.
I wish I could take that home, get that in my fish tank. Yeehaw, y'all.
Oh boy.
Catch and release. Watch there.
You have to on this size.
Watch them, y'all. Wow. too. Sun's just now starting to break out, but it's been and I was afraid of that, but it's been a bad day, y'all. That cold front moved in, it's chilly out. But sun's breaking out. We might stop and hit one more spot, but Carver's winning with that little bass what was hatched out this morning. And just think, not 6 hours ago, that thing was a French fry. But it's up to him. We might make one more stop. But it's still been a fun afternoon, y'all. But man, I have wore the fish out in this spot. Catfish, bass, crappie. But today, so far, no luck, y'all. But it's been fun to be out with Carver family. But intermission, and maybe we'll make one more stop. Thanks for watching. Fishing Edition, Catfish Terry.